Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to transfer USDT TRC20 from SafePal to Binance. So first thing you're going to need to do is go to Binance and then just log into your account if needed. But if you don't have an account, you can make an account on their official website. You can just go there and make a free account. So from here, just have to tap on deposit and then you can see this deposit address. You can tap on that copy to copy the link address, and then once you're done with that, just have to go to SafePal and just log into your account if needed again, and then just tap on this send option. So from here you can then paste here the link address that we have copied earlier. So to paste it, you just have to tap on that paste option there, and once you're done with that, just have to enter the amount that you wish to transfer. And then once you're done with the amount, you just have to tap on next and confirm the transaction. And that's basically it. That's how you transfer USDT TRC20 from SafePal to Binance. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!